Johnson County School District 1 Board's October Employment Decisions, a comprehensive overview. The Johnson County School Board made several significant employment decisions in October as part of their regular meeting agenda. These appointments and promotions were carefully considered and approved by the board, ensuring the district's continued success and student support. Here's a breakdown of the approved positions and their respective details. Josh Hatch as assistant boys basketball coach at Buffalo High School. Josh Hatch will take on the role of assistant coach, replacing Farrah Patterson. This position is subject to certification, which is a standard procedure to ensure the coach meets the required qualifications. Taylor Ashburn as forensic sponsor at BHS. Taylor Ashburn will be the new sponsor for the forensics team at Buffalo High School, replacing Tracy Kervin. This role involves guiding and supporting students in various academic and competitive events. Stef Garcia as assistant girls basketball coach at Kaycee High School. Stef Garcia will join the girls basketball coaching staff at Kaycee High School, taking over for Patricia Furnival. This appointment ensures a smooth transition and continuity in the program. Jennifer Wolf as full-time special education paraprofessional at Clear Creek Middle School. Jennifer Wolf has been appointed to a new full-time position as a special education paraprofessional at Clear Creek Middle School. This role is crucial in providing additional support to students with special needs. Patricia Furnival as full-time custodian at Kaycee K-12 School. Patricia Furnival will be the new full-time custodian at Kaycee K-12, replacing Brandy Norton. This position is essential for maintaining a clean and safe learning environment. Calvin Rule as assistant boys basketball coach at BHS. Calvin Rule will serve as an assistant coach for the boys basketball team at Buffalo High School, replacing Nick Smith. Similar to other coaching positions, this role is subject to certification. The board's approval of these recommendations was a significant step in the district's ongoing efforts to provide the best possible educational experience for its students. Each of these appointments contributes to the overall success and well-being of the Johnson County School District 1 community.